Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words this and these. Let's look at each one individually. This is a demonstrative pronoun or adjective that refers to a singular noun that is near in distance or time. For example, as a pronoun, this is my favorite book. As an adjective, this car is new. These is a demonstrative pronoun or adjective that refers to plural nouns that are near in distance or time. For example, as a pronoun, these are my friends. As an adjective, these cookies are delicious. To summarize, use this for singular nouns. This is a beautiful painting. Use these for plural nouns. These are the shoes I want. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.